Good morning to all.
My name is Shamanti from Netflix.
My name is Nandini from 19.
My school name is KPHS Kundapur School.
My project name is Engine Cooling System. Problem statement: overheating in engines, especially in cars or generators, can lead to reduced performance and breakdowns and permanent damages. Traditional system often rely on manual cheeks of simple thermostats. A microcontroller based smart cooling system can improve safety and reliability by automatically managing engine head.
Proposed solution is project uses a temperature sensor like LM35 or Arduino to constantly monitor the engine temperature and the temperature process state limit. Arduino to constantly monitor the simulated uses cooling fan. Cooling fan simulated uses DC monitor or modular is automatically turned on when the temperature drops back the off and turned off. And LED LCD display can optionally show real-time temperature data. LM35 or DHT11 sensor, DC fan, relay, LCD display, buzzer, jumper wires, power supply.
Working principle: the LM35 temperature sensor provides 10 alarm voltage output proportional to the temperature. Arduino Uno reads the value and calculate the temperature. If the temperature is above the threshold, examples 50 degrees centigrade, fan is turned and automatically optional buzzer is activated. The temperature is below the threshold, the fan is turned off. System continues monitoring. Let's see the working process.
Applications: two-wheelers and engine cooling system, generator cooling, automatic, industrial machinery, temperature control, robotics and drones with high heat motors.
Conclusion: the smart engine cooling system is a cost-effective and practical project that simulates real-world industrial and automotive applications. It helps students understand automation, sensor integration and energy efficiency.
Thank you.
Thank you.